Hi, ma'am. Hello.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you. How about you?
I am doing good. Thanks. How is your day going so far?
Thank you. So I was saying
Okay,
that
okay, all
my
right.
day was quite productive so far. I have completed my household chores. Now I'm all set to take this class.
That's perfect. Good to know. So, can you please give me a short introduction before we start?
Sure. As you know, my name, it is Neha Negi, and I hail from Uttarakhand. I'm a homemaker and a mother, and I'm a postgraduate. So if I talk about my hobbies, so I generally don't stick to one, but it keeps changing, time to time. So nowadays, since I have been practicing this particular language, English, so I am enjoying, talking to the people in this particular language. So yes, so this is my hobby, you can see.
Okay, okay, that's perfect. Thank you for the introduction. Should I introduce myself also?
Of course, ma'am. Please go
Okay,
ahead.
so my name is Japneet Kaur. I'm a freelance academic writer and I'm also a language trainer. I'm connecting to you from Rajasthan. Besides that, I
Mhm.
love to read books in my free time and I love to communicate with speakers like you.
Wow, great.
All this, okay, that's great. Today's session is about screen time. Okay, so let's start. Now, first of all, tell me, when did you get your first mobile phone?
When I completed 12th, after that I started doing job. So that time only I received my first mobile phone. That was LG one, keypad
Okay,
one.
that keypad one.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Now tell me, in the entire day, how much time do you spend on your phone?
Could you please come again? Your voices are breaking. I did not get you.
Oh, okay, so the question was, in the entire day, how much time do you spend on your phone usually?
Okay, so it would be difficult for me to tell you that exactly how much time do I spend on in front of screen. So approximately it would be for 2 to 3 hours. As I'm a homemaker, I don't get much time to use phone and all. So I generally, do my household chores, spend time with my children. So that's how I spend time. So like if I get, spare time, so I use it. So approximately 2 to 3 hours I use phone.
That is very less. I mean, 2 to 3 hours is very less, I
Yeah,
guess,
I
in this.
also feel whenever I see people around me using phone, they are completely engrossed, even in phones. And also like I feel that see, if I compare, so like I don't use it much. So I and some motivational videos I watch, and apart from that, yeah, I watch videos only on YouTube. That too, sometimes motivational one, spiritual one, like this. So I
Okay,
don't
okay.
believe in spending time in watching unnecessary things.
It's not working. So the word, I will just spell the word. You will tell me how to pronounce it and you will tell me the meaning, okay?
Of course.
Okay. So the word is Content.
Content.
Tent,
Okay,
yes.
depends. See, the same word has two different meanings, and the pronunciation is also different. First is
Correct.
content, you know, content. We have content creator, we have content, and then second one is content, which means satisfaction. You can say when you.
Perfect. Perfect. Exactly. So you like to watch more of motivational content on YouTube,
Hmm,
right?
yeah.
That's perfect. Okay, all right. Now tell me, according to you, what is the right age to give children the mobile phone in this 21st century?
Okay, I truly believe that children should be given phone after 12th.
Okay, just because you got after 12th?
No, 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 no. That is not an authentic reason. But I feel that after that, after 12th, they are capable, or they can distinguish between good and bad, what content they should watch or what content they need to avoid. Right. So I think that's why I feel that they should be given. Because even if you feel that they have completed 12th, still, we should give after 2 3 years. I think it would be too late for them, because nowadays it is important to be acquainted with the technology, right? So
Correct.
that's why. Hmm.
Yeah. You know what? I believe the 12th class is also very great because nowadays you can see teachers are giving online homework. They're making a group on
um,
WhatsApp and they're doing.
Actually, for educational purpose, if they are given any homework and all, so yeah, of course. But entirely, if we need to just hand over a phone, right, where they think that okay, I should have my own phone, so like that should be given after 12th.
Okay, okay. So now you know what? These days children are on the phones all the time. Do you think it is because both the parents have started working now and no one of them is at home? Do you think it's the primary reason?
Yet I do believe that this is the primarily reason that as in this era, both parents are busy, right? They are working, and that's why children use phone. They are completely engrossed because they don't, because parents don't spend time with them. they have they are already occupied with their work. That's why they don't spend. And one more thing, if they have time, then also they also start using phone rather than spending time with their
Correct.
children, listening to them. And I feel, this is my personal observation, or you can say my experience, that children also want to be heard, want to be listened, want to be entertained, right? And which, if they are not, getting these things, so of course they don't have any option. They would go for phone only. And because in phone we have so many things, so that's how they want to be entertained.
Okay, all right. What is happening in your case? I mean, your son he's very young or what?
So I have two. So elder one is 13. That's why I'm able to relate it. And younger one is 9.
Okay, how are you being a good mother then? I mean, you're not working, you are a housemaker, that's why you're able to give more time, then, right?
Yeah. I try to give my time to them, and I make sure that I should listen to them, and especially my elder son, as he is in teenage, right? So, this is high time for him. He can be distracted, and in this particular age, children generally get influenced by their friends rather than their parents. No matter what
Correct.
do I say, what kind of suggestion I give him to him, definitely he would listen to his friends only ultimately. So what is my intention? I try to create that kind of bond with him, like friendship kind of bond, so that he can share everything to me freely without thinking whether he can be scolded by me after that or not. So yeah, I'm doing that.
Okay, that's good. All right. So I think they might be fighting over the phone if I'm not wrong. That I will take the phone, I will play the game. Do you
See,
have any such kind of style? Hmm?
we have made some rules. Yeah. So the rules is like, especially while having food, no one can watch even a phone, neither phone nor TV, nothing. So that is our rule. Second thing, once they are done with their homework and study, after that they will be given phone for half an hour only. So as we have two phones, so like there is no fight. One can use phone, even one can watch TV, one can use laptop. So generally I make sure that they should watch TV together rather than using phone, because I feel watching TV is still better than watching phone.
Correct, yes. So you are striking a balance between the two, right?
I'm trying to do that.
That's perfect. Okay, all right. What do you understand by this word digital detoxification?
Digital detoxification. Okay, so
Yes.
though I am not well aware of this particular word, but I can assume what could be the meaning of this particular word. Okay, so as per my understanding, the meaning of this particular word could be that how smartly we can use technology.
Yeah. All-
Sure.
Okay, all right. Let's try to understand the meaning of this word. What is the meaning of detox? Many people say I will detox my body today. Have you heard this?
So when we, I think, separate or filter toxic substances from our body, something like
Yeah,
that.
from our body.
Hmm.
Exactly. We tend to drink some juice, right? Some people prefer
Nowadays
bitter
there
gourd
are
juice.
some diseases, yeah. Hmm.
Yeah, exactly. To remove the toxins. So digital detoxification basically means you're keeping away all the devices, you're not touching anything, and you're spending time with nature, spending time with
Oh,
family, maintaining some good distance from that.
okay.
Okay.
This is something
Exactly.
new for me.
So exactly. So that is why we come up with this word because now in this era we are coming up with this thing, digital detox.
Hmm. Hmm. Now I'm wondering,
Okay.
do people follow these particular
All right.
terms?
But you know what?
Uh,
There are some celebrities. For example, let's talk about Priyanka Chopra. So there are some instances. You can say, she deactivates her Instagram account. She says, "I am detoxifying for a few days," because they are constantly pleasing the audience and the people. So they also tend to take
yeah.
breaks. So what are some disadvantages of excessive screen time on adults and you can say children?
There are many. I would say that abundance of disadvantages, as I truly believe that every coin has, both sides. You know, so similarly, it happens everywhere. And when it comes to technology, it has some, um, advantages and disadvantages. So if we talk about disadvantages, so like first of all, it will affect your eyesight. Hmm?
Mm-hmm. Correct.
Second, it affects your mental health. I have seen personally, I have seen whenever I spend, hours and hours, like though it happens once in a blue moon. I don't believe in binge watching. So like
Okay.
if due to some reason I am free, I'm all alone at my home, so I would go for any series, and if it is happening, so I would feel that I am not able to be focused, right? I
Mhm.
am not be able to I am not able to be mindful towards my work, towards my task after that, right? After spending hours and hours in front of a screen. So that's how we can assume that how dangerous it can be for children, not only for children but also for adults, right? Two things. Third, I feel that again, if you are watching or consuming negative content, crime based content, again it will affect you. You will feel that as you are disturbed or you are distraught after consuming that content, so again it affects. And nowadays, whatever we see, we try to imitate that. So like sometimes we get affected by the lifestyle of celebrities, whatever they do, whatever they wear, and we also want to look like them. We also want to wear clothes like them only. And what if you are not financially strong or your pocket doesn't allow that, but still somehow we would try to manage it. So I think that is also one of the factors that why people ruining, spoiling their life by not thinking that what to take and what not to take.
Perfect. I think that was a very good answer. That's perfect. Okay, all right. Now, do you know the meaning of this word procrastination?
Yes, I know.
Yeah. So what
So,
does it mean?
so the meaning of procrastination is when you delay the things, when you put off the things, right?
Correct. Yeah. Are you a procrastinator?
Sometimes I become a
I think we all
procrastinator.
are.
Yeah, sometimes. Otherwise, I follow a proper routine. I try to avoid being procrastinator, but yes, sometimes I become. I listen to my
Okay.
body.
That's perfect. I mean, that is very something very important because your body, mind, and soul is something which keeps your body aligned, right?
Yeah. Mhm. Yes.
That's perfect. So let's take the last word for today. Last word is sophisticated. You might have heard this.
Sophisticated. Yeah, I have heard, I have come across this particular word, though I'm not
Mhm.
fully aware of the meaning of this word. But yes, I think the meaning of this particular word is a person who has knowledge about fashion, not only fashion, but about everything, I guess. Much about fashion.
No, not really about fashion. It is comprehensive in nature. Comprehensive means connecting all the parts. So someone who is
Okay.
very experienced, very skilled, and very knowledgeable regarding any sector, not only fashion. It can be
Okay.
politics. For example,
Mm,
Narendra Modi is a sophisticated leader. So we are talking in terms of politics. If I'm
mm,
saying sophisticated teacher, so upon profession to profession, it can differ.
okay.
Okay. But if I am
Hmm.
saying it's a sophisticated place, then what does it mean?
So the place is very immaculate, full of positivity and well organized, I would say.
Correct. I would appreciate the efforts which you're making. It's all about ambience, the kind of ambience they
Ambience.
have, right? The kind of
Hmm.
people, surroundings, environments,
So the place is very like uh, the place is very uh, immaculate, full of positivity and well organized, I would say.
correct. I would appreciate the efforts which you're making. It's all about ambience, the kind of ambience they
Ambience.
have, right? The kind of
Hmm.
people, surroundings, environments, sophisticated, mostly.
Can I say that Japneet is a sophisticated tutor on English Yari platform?
Yeah, because the kind of vocabulary you were using word immaculative, you can say the acquainted, you were using idioms once in a blue moon, that's really well. So you were trying to make your conversation more appealing. So that was I've learned digital detox. You will try to use it further in the next sessions as well. Okay. Any questions, any doubts?
So far, I don't have any question, but yes, it was an interesting session with you. So I'm looking forward to have a next conversation with you.
Right, okay. Thank you so much for the session. Have a good day.
You too.